Hi there, this is Guillermo from Pacifica Hot Tubs, and on this video I want to show you how you can use the PHT5900 Pacifica Hot Tubs. This hot tub has two 5 horsepower pumps, one 2-speed and one single speed, and I'm just going to show you some basic features on how you can use this hot tub. Right now it's just set up for standard filtering and heating. So as you can see from the control panel, you will see that the lights are on at the moment, and in any second it's going to start heating since I just turned the pumps off. Now what you want to do is to control the flow of your hot tub. You want to push Jets 1, which controls pump number 1. You push it once and you should get that pump on high speed. As you can see, it'll only control a couple of seats. Also, the waterfall, you can actually close it so you don't get any water if you don't want the waterfall working at that time, or just open it standard and have it running for a while. Now, that's for pump number 1. You want to turn on pump number 2, you hit the auxiliary button right here, and you will get power from pump number 2. Right. So one of the adjustment features that you can do is, first of all, the air. So if you take off the air, as you can see, you will get just water massage. This is good so you don't get a too hard of a massage, and it won't, cool your water down. Because once you open the air, as you can see, you get air in, so the bubbles, you get a lot of bubbles, and it turns the massage hard. But it'll make your water a little bit colder, not much, but just enough that you may want to watch it. And if it's just filtering, then you might want to leave that off completely. Now, the second adjustment is the diverter valves. So this is a larger 2-inch valve versus the 1-inch valve that controls the air. So what this does is, it's a jet selector valve. So if you want more power sent over to the lounge seat, you would just turn it, and automatically you see how that baby's purring already. So that's if you want more power to that seat. If you want to move the power to the other seat, then boom, just turn it the other way around, and there you go, a 5 horsepower pump dedicated strictly to this seat. So it's going to be very powerful. Most of the time you're going to keep it in the middle and just have both seats get the power. Same thing is going to happen for the captain's chair over here. You want more power? You send it over. You can just hear it on this one because it has these outside shoulder jets. Less power, then you send it to another seat like that. Okay. Another cool adjustment that we have is that you can turn the jets on and off. And for example, let me get closer here. Not dropping the phone. For example, if you want this jet off, you turn it and it's off. You're still going to get a little bit of water out there, but not as much as you used to. You want it back on, 10 o'clock, and it's back on. You can do that for most of the jets on this hot tub. I believe that's it for the main course. If you have any other questions, please feel free to use the comment section. Please subscribe, like this video, comment below, and just like it all. Thanks for your attention, and we're at your service at Pacifica Hot Tubs.